Hello everyone. Hope you're having a great day. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the option to navigate pages using your text cursor in the Brave browser. It's a simple setting, so let's get into it. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads, look toward the top right corner and click the three-line menu icon. This opens up all of Brave's main tools and settings. From the menu that appears, scroll down a bit and click Settings. Now you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. Take your time and find the section labeled Accessibility. Go ahead and click on it. On the right side, you'll now see several accessibility options. Look for the one called Navigate Pages with Text Cursor. This feature basically allows you to move around web pages using only your keyboard's cursor keys, almost like you're editing text. To turn it on or off, just toggle the switch. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here anytime and flip it again. And that's all there is to it. A simple setting, but it can make browsing a lot easier depending on how you prefer to navigate. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.